Alright, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to put a catch can in your Miata. Mine's already in there. It's super easy. I know I probably should have went step by step, but there's only like 3 steps. So basically you could just get a catch can anywhere. This one just off of Amazon for like 30 bucks. And I just bolted it right to the firewall. So it's on there pretty sturdy. And right now this is the stock PCV right here. Let me see if I can pull it out. So it's junk, but I have a 323 GTX one coming in. If your car is boosted, definitely get the 323 GTX PCV because it's metal internals and it's made for boost. But anyways, for my setup, this is kind of like the Car Passion setup for his catch can video. I just have the catch can back here. Right off the PCV is the inlet. So this is the in on the catch can, and the out goes right back into the manifold. So basically, the line that would go from the PCV to the intake manifold right here, I just have the catch can in between them as a secondary like filter, so to speak, to catch the oil. So that's all you got to do. Super simple. Just get your catch can in from the PCV, out back into the manifold. And I just put this on, so I don't know how much it works. This line is junk. I use this one. This is from me, and this is the one they gave me, and it's junk. Literally, when you start the engine, it just sucks in and is flat. Because it's just junk. So, gotta go get up another hose for that. But look, you have your own dipstick here and everything. As you can tell, there's no oil in mine yet because I pretty much only just drove it down the street. But hopefully that does something for your oil burning problems. I'm also going to be doing valve stem seals, but in the meantime, hopefully this helps me out a little bit for the drift events before I could do the valve stem seals. I guess I'll do a little update on my Miata too. So we still got like the fake flying Miata, whatever, Gen 1 cast iron manifold, GT2860 dual ball bearing turbo from CX, fake Mishi radiator, intercooler obviously, the catch can, Flow Force 640 cc injectors, speedy EFI, ECU, AM, wideband, some just digital boost gauge, ISR exhaust. I got the MST time attacks on right now. I really like these wheels, but I also have the Watanabes, as you guys know, because I needed 2 different sets for drifting. So at the track, I don't really have to change the tires, but I really like the way these look. And next thing I want is a roll bar, a hard dog roll bar, and I want it painted white. So I have the whole white beam going because I think it just looks good like that. But that's a simple way to hook up a catch can onto your Miata. And we'll see if it helps or not.